You've always been the spark, bold, unapologetic, first to leap. But this June, something shifts. Not your fire, but your focus. Mars, your ruler, moves through Leo, igniting your desire to lead, create, and express without needing to dominate. There's a fire in you now that wants to build, not just burn. Your creativity is rising, asking not for speed, but for meaning. You may feel pulled to share something with the world, your voice, your vision, your art. Let yourself take up space, but this time, do it from the inside out. Jupiter has entered Cancer, bringing your emotional world into the spotlight. You might crave softness, home, grounding, not as a retreat, but as support for your ambitions. You're realizing that real strength includes vulnerability, that comfort isn't weakness, and that being held doesn't make you any less powerful. It's a month of contrast, bold action and quiet reflection. You feel the tension between conquering the world and curling into yourself. Let both exist. This is how your fire learns to warm, not scorch. Relationships deepen as you drop the armor. You're magnetic when you're real, not performing, just present. Let your truth be heard, not for drama, but for connection. Career-wise, you're more compelling when you lead with vision, not control. Collaborate with those who feel aligned with your purpose. Inspiration is your compass now. Financially, stay alert. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Trust your instincts, they're sharper than ever this month. Mid-month, you may feel a brief wave of uncertainty, a pause in momentum, a hesitation before the next leap. Don't resist it. That silence is where the clarity is born. Emotionally, this is a time to observe without judgment. Let your reactions teach you something. Your growth doesn't need to be loud, just honest. By the end of June, clarity returns, not because you pushed, but because you gave space for the answers to arrive. This is your invitation, Aries. Lead with heart, burn with purpose, and shine, not to be seen, but because you can't help it. If this felt true for you, stay close. The sky is still unfolding, and you haven't seen everything yet. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And check the description. 2 special gifts are waiting for you. Until next time, keep looking to the stars.